Today we're going to be checking out Phone Rebel's Air 2 case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Phone Rebel has been one of my favorite cases that I've been using for the past 3 years now. I've actually been using their Gen series cases. This is the Gen 6 for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's got a metal camera ring on the back that is interchangeable. It's got buttons on the side that are metal that you can change out to different colors as well. It's got a really nice tactile feel, and it also has a metal little piece right at the bottom here, and it's got the aramid fiber built in. The Air 2 is their cheaper, slimmer case. It does have a smooth matte backing to keep down the fingerprints. On the side, it does have these little nubs to help with grip. It also has a camera button, not just a cutout. The buttons on this case are not interchangeable. They're just kind of integrated into the case. And it also does have MagSafe built in. So we'll put our phone inside the case here. Fits the phone really well. Feels good in the hand. That the little textures on the side do help with grip. As far as the buttons, the power button is nice and clicky, but the volume button is kind of it's got like a slight click, and it does work perfectly fine. And the action button is just kind of mushy. It doesn't really feel like it has a click to it. But the power button, nice and clicky. If we take a look at the case from the side, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on the front of my phone, and you can see that we only get the raised edges in just the corners. So it makes it very easy to swipe up from the bottom and from the sides and down because the front of the screen is flush with the case. You can also see it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone either. We've got those texturings on the side, our volume buttons and our action button, cutouts on the bottom, the texture on the side again with the camera button and our power button, and again on the back it's got that nice smooth matte feel to it, and we also do have a decent raised edge around our camera lenses as well. This is also not metal like the Gen series, it's just simply the plastic. Looks pretty good on the phone. I do like that we just have the raised edges in the corners, so if you happen to put your phone down, it's just going to touch the corners and not the actual screen. So let's test out our camera button. As far as the gestures goes, let's go to our photo here. Touch works fine. Swiping gestures seem to work pretty good too. Yeah, that seems to be working pretty good as well. No issues at all. So the camera button seems to be working really well. And if we take a closer look at the screen protector that I'm using on my phone right now, you can see that there is really no edge or gap all the way around the phone. So the screen protector that you're going to use on your phone may or may not fit this case perfectly. And if you're wondering, this is the FlowLab One Time Pro that I'm using on my phone. But as you can see, there's no lifting and no bubbles, and that's what I personally like. I like no gap because when there is a gap, that's just place for dirt and dust to collect. Now, I do also want to let you know that I am going to get the Gen 7 series, which is the successor to the Gen 6, and it will be coming to me probably around the end of October, so make sure you subscribe to see that video when it comes out. And to go along with the case, if you need to power up your phone inside your car, you can also pick up their 65-watt car charger. This has power delivery 3.0 and quick charge 4.0. It's got 2 USB Type-C ports that have a max of 65 watts. This little charger is super small, and look at how compact that is. It's also made of all metal, very solid, feels good in the hand. It also has this little piece that you can use to pull out, because once it's in your cigarette lighter, it's going to be pretty flush. So you just kind of pop this out and you can easily pull out the charger from your port. And again, there you have those 2 USB Type-C ports, and we do have a little status LED as well. So if you're not looking for a case that's big and bulky and too heavy, the Phone Rebel Series Air 2 would definitely be a good option. Again, it's nice and slim, it's pretty light, and it's got some really nice grip to it. And for the price, it also does come with that camera button, which I love, and these grips on the side feels pretty good in the hand. So if you guys do want to pick this up yourself or the car charger, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please let me know by hitting the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.